Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do speed tower test in Cura Slicer. So basically what you'll need to do is go to marketplace and type calibration figures and basically get auto towers generator, then restart your Cura and basically go to the extensions right here. Click on auto towers and click on speed tower. Right here you'll need to select the speed intervals from 20 to 100, from 50 to 150, or from 100 to 200. I will select from 50 to 150, click OK, and you'll get this speed tower. Now what you'll need to do is click slice and you'll be able to print this tower and check the speed test on your 3D printer. So that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.